Let's open the drawer and see what's inside. You know, I can tell I'm really gonna need your help today, trying to figure out what can help me feel better. To play Biscuit's clues, we have to find 3
paw prints.
Yeah, our paw prints, 1, 2, 3, and those are our
Clues.
Our clues.
Our clues.
And then we put them in our notebook. Sit down in our thinking chair and think. Cause when we use our minds, and take a step
What?
that we wanna do. Ready to play Biscuit's clues to figure out what can help me feel better? You are? Great. Aren't you? We gotta hurry and find these clues. We are looking for Biscuit's clues. I wonder where they are. You got the flu? Oh no, I really hope it's just the sniffles, cause the flu's a lot worse, and you can get really sick.
No, a clue!
Oh, you see our first clue? Where?
Right there!
There it is. Hey, number 1. You can tell it's a
On the spoon.
the spoon. You know what we need.
Notebook.
Notebook. So to draw a spoon, we draw a spoon. So, we're trying to figure out what sniff I need to feel better, with the clue, a spoon. Maybe. But I think we need to find 2 more clues, to figure this out.